Showing
reloads.
Manufactured
Except for carry ammo.
9mm.
9mm. I'd never had that problem before until I got these Speed Mags. That's what Owen said.
Use them for practice.
Yeah.
That's what we're waiting on. Yeah. They may work in. Clear.
3470.
Clear. Fly.